video, we're going to solve this inequality here. It's got a lot of things to consider. So first, I want to take care of what's happening to the variable. So the variable has a negative on it. We'll take care of that. And it's being divided by 6. So let's take care of the dividing by 6 part first. And the way we do that is to do the opposite of dividing by 6. Well, the opposite of dividing by 6 is to multiply by 6. So I'm going to multiply by 6 on both sides of the inequality here. Now, multiplying by 6 and dividing by 6 cancel each other out. We're left with that negative y greater than. And then I want you to think of this 6 as 6 over 1, because then you can multiply the top times the top. 9 times 6 is 54. And the bottom times the bottom, 2 times 1 is 2. So it makes it a lot easier to see that multiplication with the fraction if you'll make that 6 over 1. So now I have negative y is less than 27. And here's where it gets a little tricky. So I want to get this negative off of there. The way to do that is to divide both sides by a negative 1. But we have a rule with inequalities that says if you divide by a negative, if you divide by a negative number, you have to flip the inequality. Yep, you're going to have to flip that inequality around. So that means it was a greater than, and now we're going to flip it around to be a less than. So this becomes y is less than, and then 27 divided by negative 1 gives me negative 27. And I bet you can guess a lot of people miss that flipping the inequality. Yep. It's the one part about solving inequalities we have to remember, because it is, you just have to flip that inequality if you divide by a negative number.